Good morning, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forex. We're coming at you with another pre-market analysis video. This time, we will be looking at NZDUSD, also known as the Kiwi. Yes, the New Zealand dollar is also known as the Kiwi. But before we get started, we're going to go ahead and state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, but the goal of finding proper financial education is to get good finances. So, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, I hope you guys are noticing a correlation between the AUD, Euro, and GDP, and now the NZD that's all paired with the USD. How we've all had on our left hand a massive aggressive move down with a slight move up, and now we're all trying to figure out whether we're going to continue to go up or we will continue to go down. Now, there's a few things that we will look at to see whether we will continue to go up or will continue to go down. First thing and foremost is that we're going to look in the areas where price is at now. So currently price is here, right? Prior to that, price was here. Now this area is important because the last time price was here, we did have an aggressive bring down of the price before it came back up, ranged out, came up, ranged out, and now it came back down, which was somewhat to be expected because in this area here is where price came down last time, and it came down this time too, but instead of going all the way down like it did previously, it just stopped right here. Now, this is the thing that's also a little kind of shady is how price is going up. Notice it's not going up smooth, right? You notice price isn't going up smooth. It's going up very, 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 very choppy, which means that buyers are there, but sellers are also picking up here too because they remember last time when price was in this area, it dropped down. Also, the buyers remember that too, so they could either be pulling their money out and the sellers are taking over, or the sell pressure can become overwhelming and start to push price down. But just because price is getting pushed in one direction does not mean that's the direction it wants to follow. Because in trading, charts just don't go down, charts just don't go up. They go down, they go up, they go down, they go up. So with that said, we went down, we didn't go down aggressive, we're going up very choppily. So a few things can happen. We can actually shoot up to this area very aggressively and actually start to come back down to this area before it continues to start to go up. Or price can come down aggressively to about this area before it decides to come up. Or price may come down aggressively, do a very pitiful poor attempt for buyers to come back in to push price up slightly before it starts to go back down. So with this one, you truly want to wait and see and let the candlesticks be like your breadcrumbs. That's going to let you know what exactly is going to happen. Now, one thing that will kind of, one thing that not will, but one thing that will solidify this, not an if, but will solidify this is the economic news that's going to be coming out. I don't believe there's a lot of economic news coming out with USD today, but I believe there is economic news coming out with the New Zealand dollar, so we'll have to pay attention and wait for that. So until the market gives us clear direction on exactly what it wants to do, we want to wait. Placing a trade in this area right here would kind of be pretty dangerous, whether you're going for the buy side or the sell side. Because like I tell many people I work with and many of my students that I teach, you place a trade, you don't want to feel like it's gambling and you want to know why you placed that trade. Because if you know why you placed that trade, you will know why that trade performed or didn't. Now, with that being said, I hope this information was helpful to you guys. Happy trading.